In the education desert, the heat is oppressive, leaving much of the wildlife unable to find adequate food. This is no exception for the wild math student, a creature on the endangered species list, struggling to survive. This particular student has been searching all morning for a morsel to eat. Most days it is lucky to find anything. During a winter storm, snow was falling at a rate of 1/2 inch every 2 hours. If there was 4¼ inches of snow on the ground when the storm began, how much snow is there after 8 hours? At last, it has spotted its prey, a lone linear equation. This particular equation, a function of rate, grazes on raw data, unaware of the approaching student. Well, I guess the first step is to put this into some sort of equation. Maybe y equals mx plus b, which would mean that we have y equals 1/2 x plus b. The student attacks the unknowing function with a bulldog tenacity. Its razor-sharp 7mm lead tears at the flesh of its prey. The startled equation manages to slip free and a wild chase ensues. Now x is snowfall for every 2 hours. How to change that to every hour? Well, we can divide the rate by 2, which would mean that we have y equals 1/4 x plus b. But what do I do with the 4¼ inches? An overconfident student lunges forward to deal a lethal blow, but the function's strong y-intercept allows it to leap out of the way and avoid capture. That's my y-intercept. So that's 1/4 x plus 4¼ and we can convert that into decimals so it's a little easier to read, which is 0.25x plus 4.25. Now, all we have to do is solve for y given that x is 8. Fortunately for the student, the chase doesn't last long, and soon it begins its feast on the function's point, x equals 8. So y equals 6.25. So there is 6.25 inches of snow on the ground after 8 hours of snowfall. Yeah.